Hi guys, good morning. For Vlogmas today, we're going to be cleaning the house. So, my we just painted our house since since we renovated. We haven't painted our sitting room or parlor or living room, however you call it. So this is the first time we just painted it, and then I'm cleaning afterwards. And it's harmattan, so there's dust everywhere. What's that? There's dust everywhere. There's a lot of dirty, and not a lot of dirty, but just dust basically, and paint everywhere. So I will be cleaning today. So today you will just clean with me. Come with me to clean the house. Yeah, the living room basically. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the new paint. The new Lego City Express passenger train. Where will you take it? Set so separately. Batteries not included. Who is ready to have their wish granted? You got that one well, do you think?
Hi everybody, I'm really excited to see you. But tonight, this is the show show. Minnie's putting on a big fashion show, and she's going to show us all her new clothes for winter. Thanks, Al. Let's deliver these decorations to Minnie and help her get all ready for clothes fashion.
Toodles. Come closer. Now Sobo wants to use manpower and open it. Have you? Hey, man, na man. No girl, I want one. See this fine man. Smally Bobo don't open the thing for me. Oh, man, na man. Oh, lot away. Eh? Agbara ragburu. Did you see this video that he made posted?
Yeah, I see. Very open. Sure. Yeah. My family, when they are doing Christmas, I'm a simple man.
I was like, so it's not only us that is doing it. So the other people also doing it in their family group chat. Sorry, my brother.